The way to become a world-renowned star chef is through the Bahçeşehir University Gastronomy and Culinary Arts Department. Take a journey through the history of gastronomy with lessons from the chefs of the kitchen. Discover world cuisines. Experience the chemistry of cooking. Learn about sustainable food systems. This is the first Gastronomy and Culinary Arts Department in Turkey to be accepted into the alliance by Institute Paul Bogus. 3 professional training kitchens, designed so that all students can work comfortably at their personal stations, and a pastry and bakery kitchen are waiting for you. The Bahçeşehir University Gastronomy and Culinary Arts Department also offers opportunities abroad to expand your world and mix your talents with different cultures. You can attend summer school in Lyon, France, study in Croatia and Spain, and take advantage of internship opportunities in all European countries. You can train at BAU Gastroort, Scarlata, or the BAU Coffee Institute to gain experience and present your knowledge to guests, and you can have the opportunity to work in the 5-star kitchens of contracted institutions. Bahçeşehir University Department of Gastronomy and Culinary Arts, a world university in the heart of Istanbul.